Give me a hell yeah.
Yeah, there's no actual substance sa pelikulang ito. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, the God Gamer himself, Harriet, and walking to the path of the bolt. And it's Friday, and you know what that means? It's now time for our bold review dito sa Fridays with Viva Max. Okay, so yeah, we got really nothing out of today. This Dirty Ice Cream, the latest Viva Max movie, is actually 45 minutes long. It's like one of the shortest Viva Max movie ever. And I'm, I'm more inclined that they should have just cut most of the content because yung content ng Dirty Ice Cream is actually no content at all. So there's no story here until the very end, and it's like a plot MacGuffin kung tutuusin. Okay, so Dirty Ice Cream is led by four girls. Let me enumerate them each. Let's see. There it is. So it's Christy Imperial, Ida Manzano, Jem Milton, and Katie Veloso. And Jem Milton is the one that is looking old. Katie Veloso yung medyo payat. Ito siya yung medyo payat. Ida Manzano is the actual old woman and Christy Imperial yung medyo mataba. I'm not sure if she is related to Meg, pero sige. And this movie, or if I'm gonna call it movie, is a harken to the days ng Viva Hot Babes Gone Wild. Like it's all hubaran and no substance. And it's a little harsh to tutusin. Actually, I will just do this. Ito yung pinaka-summary. Okay? So I'm struggling to get anything out of here. So bear with me. Oh, by the way, like this video para mapunta tayo sa For You ng YouTube. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Fridays with Viva Max only on Harriet. Okay, so, ayun. We got two boys na nagtitinda ng sorbetes, then they're hot, and they're a bunch of, ewan ko, they're really down bad. Because habang nagtitinda sila ng sorbetes, nagpapakita sila ng abs. Tapos may apat na babae na nakita tong mga sorbetero na to, and they are down bad because of hot weather. And Ida Manzano has a husband, si Salil Khan, yung gumahasa kay Victory Losa. Ayun, di ba? May gumahasa sa kanya. Doon nata yun sa Kabit or something. At what's the movie? Salil Khan. Actually, wala siya sa ano eh. Wala siya sa homepage eh. Let's see. Victor Relosa. Maghanap lang ako ng pelikula niya. I'm edging a bit para lang ano. Para lang may makuha tayo. Straight blue with that. Suga pa, no. Kapalit, hindi. Alam ko kabit yun eh. We got the best of Angelica. Maybe we can go back to that after I review this. Uh-huh. Wala si Victor. Wala si Victor. Dito si Adan pero wala si Victor. Alam ko wala siya sa X eh. We need a movie with Victor Rosa to confirm my suspicions. Okay? Saan yun? Okay. Alam ko, wag mong agawin ng akin. Mayroong pelikula ay wag mong agawin nga. Mayroong pelikula si Victor Relosa kasama si Angelica. Kasama si AJ Rabal ata yun. Yun, sila yung akin. Okay, we're gonna go here. Tama, sa kabit niya. Kabit? Hindi, kabit is yung ano, yung play. Di ba? Kabit is yung play. Ayun, Rita, kay Christine Bermas. Oo. Yan, so sa Rita kasi, dito yung ano, iginasal siya kay Christine Bermas, tapos nag-abroad, tapos nakipagtalik siya kay Salilcan. Okay, okay, so I remember now, yung pelikula ni Victor Renosa. Okay, we actually killed 6 minutes because of that. Okay, so, ayun, tapos, hindi niya nagustuhan yung pagtatalik ng mister niya. So, nakipagtalik siya sa sorbetero. And then, nirenta ni Jem Milton sa ni Candy yung mga sorbetero. At nagtalik rin sila. Tapos, si Christine Periel, siya yung katulong. Siya yung nata-turn on dahil gumagamit siya ng hose. Pero nga dito na-turn on dahil nilagay yung blower sa poday eh. Diba? At ayun, nagtalik sila. Tapos nagtutugtog pa sila. Pahabaan ng halikan. Tapos, ayun. Tapos natapos yung pelikula na magkasabot si Christine Imperial sa kay mga sorbetero sa pagnanakaw. Kasi nagtalik sila tapos paraan yun, parang looban yung bahay at tinakaw. Tapos inon yung circuit breaker at may sumigaw na lalaki. Ayan, yun yung ending ng Dirty Ice Cream. Yeah, like I said, wala akong ma-explain dito. Nakikita na ako, walang breeder yung ano eh. Yung ano? Kasi after magtalik, lalo na yung tatlong babae, si Imperial, si Candy, sa si Jem. After magtalik ni Jem sa ni Candy sa dalawang sorbetero, nagtalik naman sila separately. Tapos dumating si Christy, tapos si Christy, pinagtalik si Jem sa si Candy, tapos, ayun. Am I supposed to be turned on this? I think not. Kasi yun una yung dalawang lalaki, mukha siyang dugyot. No offense, respectfully. Ayan. So where do we rank this? I wasn't really feeling this movie. I am sorry, pero ano talaga, di ko siya ma-feel. I'm not feeling it, Mr. Krabs. So I'm just gonna give Dirty Ice Cream. Uh, I don't know. -5 stars is a bit harsh. I'll probably give Dirty Ice Cream a haram. Haram ice cream. Yan. Okay. So, next Friday, Balin sa Sayaw. Tuesday, May 7. Tuesday, May 17. No, May 20 something. May 21. May 21 yun, di ba? Balin sa Sayaw is 17. Okay, May 21, we got Zex and Sen. And this is not a Viva Max original. This is an Asian movie. Pero, sige. Panoorin natin. They're doing Asian movies now. I think Viva Max is running out of ideas. Kaya paikli na paikli yung mga pelikula nila. Hopefully sa Balin sa Sayaw, since you got two big guns with Aiko and Apple, at hindi yung mga lower card natin, eh sana medyo matagal to. Also, it has Iza Watanabe. Siya yung ano, di ba? Siya yung last movie sa Navy Guard, yung Frosty. Ayan. I'm giving my high expectations on this one. Sana mahaba. Na-miss ko na. Nakakamiss rin yung mga mahabang Viva Wax. Okay, end the video.